Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Monday. Green again today, 2 in a row. Haven't had that for a while. Really excited. Very, very good market. The S&P 500 was up 1.6%. And the technology arena and what have you did fantastic today. Lots of green on the charts behind me. Really like to see this. We bounced off of the major support level last week, and we have been taking off ever since then. And it seems like we're building some momentum to the upside, which is actually kind of amazing when you think about it, because all the things that were being attributed to the downside are still here. Oh, we've got virus growth in Europe, still here. We have no stimulus package. We have a presidential election coming up, and who's going to be president and how's that transition going to go? All of these questions are still here, yet the market is starting to come back. I think a lot of times news is attached to the market, and we take that as gospel, and they make it go one way or another, and they've got the news to appropriate news for that particular day. I think a lot of times, what we've seen here is just a really big run up, and the market was taking some profits, and so that gets things going. And now we're starting to see the other side where people are starting to jump back in and try to get involved with that. Just a few minutes talking about clean energy. I've been watching clean energy very closely. It has been outperforming pretty consistently. I just added it to the portfolios. I took out some of the cybersecurity and added it to the portfolios in the IRA accounts. Not everybody has this. Depends on your risk level as far as that goes, but it's an exciting area. It's really been moving, and it started to take off even more so after California announced that they would be, electric vehicles by 2035. Don't know if that's going to happen or not, but it's gotten things going. It's a great area, and I think from an investment standpoint, it's worth looking at. And so one of the things I really like about targeted indexes, I don't have to go out and try to figure out which clean energy company is going to be the one to buy. I buy the whole basket, and these baskets are really sophisticated. They're not just buying clean energy, because sometimes the big profits are actually in all the other things. It's the things that are supporting the clean energy. It's a bit like the gold rush. So somebody made money in the gold rush, but man, Levi's and the guys selling the shovels were really making the money. It's the same concept here. If there's a big movement towards clean energy, the clean energy companies will make money. Don't know which ones, but man, sometimes the suppliers are the easiest ones to deal with. So that's why I like these targeted indexes. So I'm very excited about that. You'll see those come through on your confirmation. So I look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow, see if we can carry through some more, and I'll talk to you then. Thank you.